Okay then, here we are, we're back again, look. I've undone the screws, so we'll whip that off now. So a bit of a fiddle to get off, there we go. Don't lose the glass. Pop the glass in there. Along with that. Oh, will you look at that? Look at the little gearbox in there. Let me just get a torch. Just to shine a bit of light in there. Look at those little gears. Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah. And the way this obviously works is I'll just have to alter the light in a minute. Just hang on. Okay, we're back again. Just moved around a bit so I can get some light. Obviously, there's a little pin on the knob, and it obviously catches in here and switches this from one side like that. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, so that we can turn all those nice gears. Yeah, through a centre position, then to the other side for all the other gears. Yeah, very nicely done. But the one I'm interested in is the middle position, and it would appear, you might not be able to see this, but there's a gap there between those two, just in there. So we can get a bit more light into this. Bit difficult, but there's actually a gap in there between those two, and when I move it to the middle position, you see that gap is shrunk. I don't know whether you guys can see this, but that gap is actually shrunk, so that then should drive that top cog directly. Yeah, and it's not doing so. Yeah, so there's obviously something either worn out or come adrift. So I'm going to dismantle it a little bit further and find out. So right, so I've taken these 4 screws, hold it together down there. So I've taken those off. So what we'll do is we'll just ease this out. Okay, put that to one side, and we'll have a look at these little gears. Right, so if we take that off, we can see that there's some, obviously some little dogs there, that because it's only a tiny little brass gear, and they've worn off. And if we look on the other side, you might not be able to see it, if we look on the other side, similar sort of thing, and I think they're just worn away. So I'm wondering if I can repair that. Seeing as they're brass, what I might be able to do is have a look, see how much of a gap there is, because these two, stick it back together, got it apart, can't get the bloody thing together now. There we go. So these two, it's obviously pushed down on top there. Try and get it so that you guys can see this, because I've got my hand in the way. So there's obviously a gap there, okay, that I have to fill. I've got to fill that little, even then you guys possibly can't see it. Let's hold it the other way around. I've got a little gap there that I need to fill, don't I? So what I might do is, I've got some bits of brass rod that might just go on there, because with that in the middle, yeah, because we need to build up those little dogs somehow. So I think there's a little bit of work is called for here. Shouldn't be too difficult. Well, that one might be quite easy. This one, I have to find a way of taking it out, I think. Oh, it all comes apart. Oh, I see. Oh, that's easy then, isn't it? The gearbox all comes apart. It just slips off because it's on a shaft at that end, and it just slips off, so it'll all come apart. Right, well, I shouldn't have too much problem then, as long as I remember which way round it goes together. So I'll just have to mark it with a pen, won't I? So those are the bits I've got to repair. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I've got an idea. Got some thin brass rod, and I'm wondering if a little bit on there and a little bit on there, and do the same with the other one with a little bit on there and a little bit that side, might just do the trick, because that's brass as well, so it should be it should wear equally as well. So I think that's what I might do. I'll go away and do that. We'll see how it works, and I'll keep you guys updated. So from the workshop for now, with me and my God knows how old tachometer. Once again, I don't think there's any dates on it. Made by Smith's Industries Limited. No dates anywhere. No dates anywhere at all. I don't want to strip it apart too much. Not even any dates on the cover. So there you go. No dates. So we just have to trust to luck, then, don't we? And hope that hope we can fix it. I think we can. I don't think it'll be too difficult. I've got an idea, and we'll see how we go. So I'll keep you guys all updated as to how I get on. So bye for now, and thanks for watching.